The pioneering app Aduro's Smart Response helps you get the best out of your stove. Aduro's Smart Response is a unit with two sensors that communicate wirelessly with an app on your iPhone or iPad. The sensors monitor the combustion and the app guides you on perfect use of your stove based on thousands of tests. Examples of information from the app include advising you when to put more logs on, stove temperature, and whether your stove is burning at a temperature that's too high or low. You can also receive tips on how to tell if the wood is dry, test your chimney, and how to extend combustion time. When you're in the green zone, combustion is optimal, but moving into the red zone will give you an alarm. The log presents a record of recent use, including how many kilos of wood you've burned and the amount of CO2 you have saved. The Aduro Smart Response makes your iPhone or iPad your personal stove control, leaving you more time for other things while your stove burns optimally. And efficient combustion is good for the environment and your budget.